Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will talk about habit 1. So, habit 1 is one of the three habits which leads to the private victory. So, habit 1 is be proactive. Being proactive means that you are leader of yourself and you are responsible of your life. Whatever you are doing, you are taking responsibility. We will be talking about lesson 4 at page 12 of book 6, which we are using. So, being proactive means that you take responsibility of your life. For example, as a student, you are studying, so you take responsibility of whatever you are doing. If your grades are not good, you take responsibility of those things. The opposite of this habit is be reactive. So we have to be proactive, not reactive. The reactive approach is that, for example, if you have earned bad grades, you say that the bad grades were because there were guests at my home, so I was not able to study. So this is a reactive behavior. When you take a proactive behavior, this means that you are taking responsibility and you are becoming leader and you are becoming leader of yourself. Now there are different scenarios which are given on page 12. Again, the rule is that we have to give the fair answer. The first scenario is that just think of that the teacher hands back your grades and you are not happy with your grades are not good. What you will choose to. Another concept is that we are free to choose the actions. We are free to choose different things, but we are only free to choose the action, but the result, the repercussions, it is not in our hands. So you can choose the one end of the stick, which is the action, but you cannot choose the another end of the stick. So again, as we discussed, that man is a product of the choices which he makes in his life. So whatever the things you are going to do in your life, whatever the choices you are going to make in your life, that will really happen. So if you are choosing some action, for example, there are guests, a very good cartoon series is there, and you choose to play with guests and you choose to watch TV, the new cartoon series, or play some game. This is an action which you have chosen. So the consequence is that you will get bad grades. This is not now in your hand. You can choose one end of the stick, the other end of the stick is there, which you have to face the consequences. So taking the responsibility of all those things means that you are in a proactive phase and you are becoming a leader. So if you have got bad grades from your teacher, what you will think, what you will choose. There could be different responses. For example, you can choose to work hard next time. You can blame some other things. So just think of that what responses could be there and what could be the proactive responses. Scenario 2 is that you have a test on Friday. What you will choose to do. Like the scenario 3 is that you have got homework of 3 subjects, and you have many activities, for example, games to play, guests are there, and you have got homework of 3 subjects. So what you will choose to do. And the next, for every question, the thing is that how does your choice show taking responsibility for your own learning? If what are the choices, just round down on this book that what are the choices and what shows that you are taking responsibility of your learning. Again, the crux is that if you are taking the responsibility of your learning, you are being proactive and you are becoming a leader. Thank you.